So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the annual revenue of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. So once you open a Google Finance, what I want you to do is select a stock or a company of your choice. So for this demonstration, I'll just type in Netflix as an example right here. Netflix Inc., ticker symbol NFLX. So once you're here on the stock of your choice, I'm just going to scroll down to the very bottom to where it says financials and where it says income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Just go ahead and press on the income statement. Now, once you're here, you'll see quarterly and annual. Go ahead and press on annual right here. And once you're on the annual page, you can actually go ahead and tell the annual revenue or the annual whatever you're looking for just by looking at the graph right here and the stats below. So if you're looking at annual revenue for 2024, it is $39 billion. You can also go ahead and see kind of the year over year. So 39 billion in 2024, 33 billion in 2023, 31 billion in 2022, etc. You can kind of go ahead and play around with it with whatever things you're looking for. But in this case, this is how you guys can view and how to check the annual revenue of a stock here on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.